Good evening, Konkani lovers. Gautama Buddha once said that an idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. Canara World Foundation's organizers are proud to state that an idea that was sold by late Wilfie Rebembes to keep the Konkani heritage alive in Canada has been put into action. It was he who inspired us during his first ever musical entourage to Canada to keep the Konkani flag flying high. We are proud to say that we have now completed 6 years of a musical journey towards enriching the rich culture and heritage of our motherland. It is no doubt an uphill task to promote our culture in this distant land, but we strive to present to the Konkani community residing in Canada with shining stars from the Konkani music world in our annual Canada Kalasans events. This year, we are extremely proud to have presented to our community yet another shining star from Mangalore, Mr. Melvin Perez. Melvin Perez comes from a family with musical and theatrical background. He comes from a family of 4 siblings, 2 brothers and 2 sisters, all of whom are good singers. 2 of his brothers, Dennis and Albert, sang alongside late Wilfie and his troupe. His father was a good actor and his grandfather too was a good singer. Melvin's second son is following on his dad's footsteps. No doubt he dwells in a home called Sangeet Gar. He has dedicated his God-given talents for the service of the community by donating part of the proceeds of all his musical shows to charity. This star has numerous awards to his credit. He is a recipient of the Canada renowned Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy Award and Sandesha Art Award. In addition, he recently received recognition from the International Orientation Center USA. Over the past few years, Canara World Foundation has appreciated and acknowledged the contribution of several artists towards music, culture and selfless service to the community. We have instituted an award, the Canara Kala Sanket, to recognize this contribution. This year, we are proud to confer this prestigious award on Mr. Melvin Perez for his contribution to Konkani music. I now call upon Mr. Max Mendes, President of Canara World Foundation, to present this award to him. Mr. Melvin Perez, can you please come on stage? Today, we would also like to recognize an 8th Mangalorean comedian with the Canara Kala Sanket Award to Mr. Avitas Adolphus Coutinho, popularly known as Dolla, towards his lifetime contribution to Konkani drama, acting and singing. Dolla has acted in over 300 Konkani, Tulu and Kannada plays so far. He has also acted in one of the super hit Konkani movie Mo Animaipas. With his extraordinary, hilarious acting capabilities, he has lightened the lives of so many people. Even here in Canada, we proudly flaunt his jokes in our theatrical performances. Besides dramatics, Dolla also has business skills and is currently holding a director's position at the Mangalore Catholic Cooperative Bank. I request Mr. Martin Menezes to kindly present this award and request Mr. Flavian Pinto to kindly receive this award on Dolla's behalf.
Thank you, Martin. We wanted to bring Dolla over here in 2005, but we did not succeed. And for the health reasons, we could not bring him after that. He's a great artist. So, I don't know. I'm duplicate Dolla. And the original, come on. Thank you.
Thank you, Flavian, for receiving the award on Dolla's behalf. I would now like to call upon Mr. Melvin Ferris to address his fans.
Dev berisan di tuka semesta. Kesilah lisan tu. Beri lagi. Goreng. Anda sesekarang ini sungguh cari tidak. Aku tulis macam tu leta. Dekun saya akan sudah siap. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy today, and my heart is filled with joy to stand before you and speak a few words. Basically, I am a singer and definitely not a speaker. As such, a bit confused and nervous too. Well, since my childhood at the age of 7 years, I started singing Konkani songs, and as I was growing, I wanted to be a good singer. Since I didn't get proper opportunities to prove myself, compose my own songs, and as a result, I'm here to perform in Canada. It is really a long journey. It is not my profession. I can say it is a professional hobby. Sometimes back, when our beloved Kunkan Kubul Wilfred Bimbas passed away, many people came to me saying that, Melvin, here onwards you will have to carry on his job. To be frank, for Wilfred it was his profession and his daily bread. But for me, it is not so. When I say this, I know definitely I will have to carry on, and I will as I did earlier. And whenever opportunity arises, I will do my best to keep Konkani music alive. Today, I thank God for bestowing me with such a wonderful talent of singing and composing. I thank my parents. I particularly thank my elder brothers Dennis and Albert, my sisters, and especially my beloved wife Nita for supporting me all through my singing career. She is really my strength, and today I miss her a lot. Because for every show she used to accompany me, but I could not bring her here. I know the difficulties involved in organizing a Konkani show in a country like Canada. I thank the dynamic organizers like Max and Nancy, Flavian and Miriam, my official sponsors for Visa, Mr. and Mrs. Paul and Irene, and all other members of Canada World Foundation. Thanks to Joyson and his troupe for the lovely music. Again, my million thanks to Joyson, his wife Rima, her sister Vilma for their loving hospitality and for making my stay very comfortable at their residence. I thank all the local artists and singers, dancers for accompanying me, sparing their valuable time. Once again, I thank the organizers for felicitating me with this award, and I will be ever grateful to them for their word of appreciation. Finally, my big salute to you, all the Konkani music lovers who have gathered here to enjoy the show. I hope I was up to your expectation and also look forward to entertain you in the future too. Thank you. Dev Bari Karo. Lam Jiyo Konkani.